Hey guys, winter is coming, so I just wanted to make a little video to show you guys how to take care of your door seals to prevent them from freezing during the winter. Some of you might have already had the experience. It's not fun at all, and you really got to be careful sometimes because sometimes your door handle and more they're starting to be made out of plastic. So if you pull really hard on them when your door seals are stuck together, it could break the mechanism, or it could just break the whole handle itself. Little tips to maybe save the door handles: if you have a remote starter, use your remote starter, try to make it heated up in there. Maybe it's gonna get the door seals unfroze and then you'll be able to pull it out. Or if you can just get like one step out, just one little step, maybe you could try to jam your fingers there and maybe you'll somehow figure out a way to take them out. But nonetheless, this video is to show you guys how to make it so that never happens anymore. So you should be good after this. Just gonna go ahead and open the door. So what I would recommend before throwing on the spray that I'll recommend you guys, just wash it up with a little soap spray. I took dish soap because you don't want any grease to be like on the seal anymore. So I used this and then a rag, just washed it up, so now it's not greasy anymore. And the silicone spray, which I'm going to show you guys right here, is gonna be able to stay on there better. So this is the spray that we're using, heavy duty silicone. It's a lubricant silicone. So all you gotta do is basically spray it on there. And as you see right here, I took this door because I wanted to show you guys here too. There's a tear in it. If you always take care of your seals, this shouldn't happen unless you accidentally cut it up open with a tool or something. That would be really rare cases, but it shouldn't really happen that the seal breaks like that after you do that. I would recommend doing it once a year before the winter comes. I know today is a sunny day. It doesn't represent that the winter's coming, but trust me, within a month and a half we'll have some snow where I live. So here it is. I brought a rag too. Sorry for hitting the tripod right there. I brought a rag too, so I would recommend just go on the seal, spray on, and there we go. And just use the rag to make sure it goes in every crevices and every little spot. And just go all around the door. I won't show you guys all the doors. I'll just show you guys a bit of this one, so you have a rough idea. And that's about it. So now you can see that the seal looks darker now. It looks lubricated, and that's what we want. And whenever it's too cold, it shouldn't freeze together anymore because now it's lubricated and it should just slide together. You also have a door seal on the door itself and not just on the car. So I would recommend to do that too if ever you have enough in your bottle. And I'm gonna also do my second car, even though I park it during the winter. As I said, it just makes the seal lubricated, and it's always good even if it doesn't see the snow. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked it. If you have any questions about this, make sure to leave it down in the comments, and please subscribe to the channel for future videos like this. Thank you.